Hi guys, so for today's video naman is arrive na tayo sa Vancouver. Another story time, so hindi nga tayo kung nagkaroon ng time na kumain kasi right after na pagdating namin sa gate is pinapasok agad kami since nanay is more than 60 years old, so we always priority na sa priority pipeline, and after that yun maghihintay kami ng ride or naging may wheelchair si nanay. So, ano pa ang effect? So, sobrang gutom namin. So, more than 5 hours flight from Toronto to Vancouver. And ang binibigay lang merienda is drinks and what we call this one, crackers. So, ayan. Kaya, sobrang gutom namin, guys. Hinay for lives ko na lang guys ang video kasi sobrang malayo mauubos ang aking data. Kain muna guys. Ngayon lang kami kakain mula kaninang tanghali. So what we got? We got soup. Ayan. That's it. It's now morning time. 45F and 45G. Yes. Yeah.
Can I see one more time? Yeah. F and G. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Nila. Masarap ang food nila. So, ayan ang kay nanay. Yan. So, most awaited time ang kainan. Kanina pa kami gutom ni mama. Gutom na ang food. There you go. That's her food for today. And my food for today. Thank you. Look at this. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Oh, wow. Kain na na. Gutom na. It's about to take yan, pababa na ang aeroplano. We're just waiting. Yan, maganda ang aming pwesto lagi. See you, Taiwan! So, facts about the flight. So, flight from Vancouver to Taiwan is take 12 hours and 35 minutes. Then, dalawang beses silang nagpapakain. One is parang lunch and breakfast. So, after 8 hours, kaya medyo ayan, rated PG na naman ang inyong person. At wala akong ginawa kundi umubo ng umubo since I was sick before the flight. Yun lang.